Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes guys, I'm at it again. Welcome back to the healthier side of things. Yes, and look at guys, some green banana this. But me not go eat it just like that. You can, yeah, if you want iron and them thing there, yeah, but I'm gonna give you maximum iron, maximum bodybuilder. Only Jamaican people might know about this thing. Or only Jamaican people know about this thing. But guys, I want all of you to catch up on this because I am anemic and this is good. This put back all the iron in your body. So guys, we're gonna make some strong back. I'm gonna use some sea moss and green banana. So I have some water over here boiling. If you're a small family or you don't want much at a time, one finger will do. Cut off this part here, so, and cut off that part. I like to cut off the little black part right at the end, right? This little black part there, so. And you don't have to peel the banana. All I'm gonna do, just cut it in some slice. You know when you're there Jamaica, you make manish water, guys? Yeah, something like this. Put them over here in the water. And we're gonna boil them. You know, you want to give it a good 15 minutes of boiling. So the banana them can cook and the skin are going to mash out and soft. This is how it's looking. You know the water going to get dark because we don't put no oil in this because we're going to blend it, alright? So, yeah, 15 to 20 minutes of boiling, that would be good. And then I'm going to come back when it's done. I'm back and you can put it in the fridge for overnight to cool, or you can just leave it on the stove top for a few hours and it should be good. So you know, say banana have lots of iron, and if you don't put no oil in there, you know it will get dark when you boil it. So look at this. This is the goodness right here, guys. So we're gonna blend all of this together, skin, inside, water and everything. And over here, guys, boy oh boy oh boy, if you want some strong back, some energy builder, some body booster, yeah, pour out water. Gonna put the banana. You want it to cook, you see? All right. Hey. Put a tablespoon of Irish mash. A little bit more. Yeah. I'm gonna add about half cup of dragon. I don't want to put too much because then my blender can't hold, you see, guys. Hey, look like it can't hold. Anyhow, I'm gonna put some nutriment. I am gonna put about 1 teaspoon vanilla. I'm gonna put about half teaspoon mixed essence. Just a smidge. About 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg. 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. 1, 2, not too much. You can put more or less, all right? And guys, if you smell this, we're gonna blend this bad boy. You can blend it over crushed ice, and we're gonna blend. All right, guys, we're gonna serve up some. Can you see the goodness here, guys? Guys, I wouldn't suggest this Ninja. I don't know why now blend out it really smooth, but when I use my smaller blender, so fine. So I had to blend it, okay? So let's pour some in. Oh yes, look how creamy. Guys, you can add more milk if you want, but this is good right here. All of this are the banana and the bladderwrack, you know. My husband tell me about this one, guys, because I was just gonna make the banana and drink the water, and he said no, put some stuff in it. When you start to drink it, you're not taste no stain in it because all of it boiled out. Okay, it's gonna be thick, creamy and delicious. Irish mash, bladderwrack, banana, green banana, smoothie or punch, anyhow you want to call it. Put some dragon, some nutmeg, some vanilla, flavor it up. Ooh, yes guys. All the man them, come on board, check out this video. Yeah, you're gonna thank me later. And I am anemic, so I should know green banana packed with lots of iron. Get most of the iron from the skin. All right guys, and also I'm gonna make another video to make the green banana tea. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye guys. No more weak background here, trust me upon this. Clean and build your immune system. Have a good day guys. Bye.